Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Qantas credits. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, fly frequent flyer, and a lot of those things. And here we have some things about your account. So your account, profile, and all those stuff. And here in the middle of the screen, you can see that you can go and book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Qantas credits. So first of all, go to the, as I already told you in the start of the video, Qantas website, or open the app, of course, and log into your account. And then click on the Manage Booking tab on the homepage. You just need to go and find the Manage Booking. So here we have booking, you have my bookings and everything. You can click on my bookings also. And now you need to go and use the Find My Credit tool to locate the Qantas, or JetSet travel credits. You'll need to your booking reference and last name. So when you have some booking, of course, I don't have any at the moment. And here you can also go and redeem your flight credits. So as you can see, you can go and click here. And here you can go and redeem your flight credits that you can, of course, get to, of course, then use. And, or you can use Qantas points. You can see you have status points here and everything. And when you have a flight, you can then go and then once your credit information is displayed, click on the Use Flight Credit button. You'll have it when you have your flight, of course, here. I don't have one at the moment because my credit card isn't working. And only fares you can book with your flight credit will be shown. Select your desired flight and proceed with the actual booking. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and that will be everything. Bye, guys.